Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into something super exciting, creating a gorgeous Lehenga Dupatta in CLO3D. If you've ever wanted to design a flowy, elegant dupatta with those stunning drapes, stick around because I'm breaking it down step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Let's get started. We are designing a dupatta, which is typically a long, rectangular piece of fabric. In the 2D pattern window, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Add the fabric. Adjust the fabric as per your requirement. Drag your pattern into the 3D window and position it over your avatar. Select the Tack on Avatar tool from the 3D toolbar. The 3D garment will turn translucent and the avatar becomes visible. Click on the desired part of the avatar where the 3D garment should be affixed to. I am attaching one dupatta corner to waist. Again pin the dupatta at the head. And tuck the fabric around the arm for a more styled drape. Pick a lightweight material like chiffon or georgette, something flowy. Add the color. I'm using same as my lehenga. Hit simulate and watch the fabric drape beautifully. Adjust the pins if it's not flowing how you like. Keep simulating until it feels just right. Let's make it pop. In the Object Browser, select the Internal Rectangle tool, click and drag within a pattern to freehand an internal rectangle. Right-click and cut and sew. Add new fabric to the border. I forgot the other two sides of the border. I did that. Graphic 2D pattern, I'm using a same lehenga border pattern for dupatta as well. Select the image file to be added. When the mouse is hovering over the pattern, guidelines indicating the distance between the pattern outlines and the center of the graphic will appear. Adjust the border and repeat the process. And there you have it, a beautiful lehenga dupatta designed in CLO3D. Whether you are prepping for a virtual fashion show or just experimenting, this is a fun way to bring traditional style to life. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know what you want to see next. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye for now.